don't have to worry about all this extra strap in my way. I hate that. Okay, it's another day out here. Well, flat on the trailer. Picked up a nail. As you can see, I got the tire broke down off the wheel. I need to patch it. Some of you have recognized my bead breaker here. I'm gonna use it to try and make a tire spreader, so it'd be a little easier to get inside here with the tools and to see what I'm doing. I've got a couple of my ratchet straps. We're gonna strap it down to this bead breaker bottom bar so we can pull it apart. All right, I've got it up against the bead breaker. Ratchet strap over here, pulling on it. Ratchet strap over here, also pulling on it, and I've got it opened up where there's quite a bit of room in here now. You see now, I can see my nail that I've got. This is the area I need to work in with the grinder, patches. With the tire opened up like that, it makes it a lot easier. So what I'm gonna do is, I got some old hooks off of straps, and a much shorter strap that I don't use for anything. What I'm gonna do here with one hand. Okay, I'm gonna cut this end off. This end's attached to the ratchet strap itself. I'm gonna remove it and put a hook on there. This hook and ratchet will go here. That way this remaining end, which will be adjustable, can go here. The chain and hook we're gonna make both ends. We'll go over here on the other side and hook here to here. That way we just pull with the one side only, and it'll all unhook and we can put it away. Just like same as the bead breaker. Out of the way, in the corner, it's gone. Now I'm gonna go over with the grinder. We'll clean these up. Get all the plastic off of them, rust off. Because we've got to attach it here. We also got to attach it here. So I'll be right back. Grind off all this plastic, clean them up a little bit. We've got to go back and notch it out too so we can get the chain in there. Okay, we got our hooks all cleaned up. Now we need to go and notch it. That's what we wanted to do. We want to hook on both ends of this chain. I'd already notched another one. It'll fit on there. This way we can hook to the square tubing and to our tire. Next, we need to take this pin out of here so we can take this strap off and put another hook on this one. Ends out, straps off. We'll save that and use that for another project. Alright. Shouldn't have to cut too much off there. And that's what we wanted. Alright, we got our hooks on the chain. Hooks on the ratchet strap. Ratchet strap, it's going to be hooked here. Get this one out of the way, and then we'll have this one, which is short. We'll have it going to that ratchet. On the other side, we'll take our chain, get rid of this one. This one that'll hook here, and the other end into the tire like that one. This one, so this side here won't have a ratchet. Ratchet will only be on one side. And I don't have to worry about all this extra strap in my way. I hate that. Let me get the red ones out of the way, and I'll bring y'all right back. Okay, I got the strap on there. This is the short one. That's all the slack I've got laying around, unlike those red ones. So I like that. I can handle that a lot easier. Took the end of the 2x, pulled tight. Plenty of room to work with. Here's the other side, the chain hooked into the tubing, hooked to the tire, so the side's not adjustable. Do all adjusting and pulling on that side. And now what you see, I got plenty of room to work in. I'll be able to patch that up, get my grinder in there, my tools in there, without worrying about bumping the sides of the tire, struggling with it. It's not a tire. It's not going anywhere. You can bump it, push it, it's staying right where you put it. Which also will make it a lot easier, where before, the tire kept trying to move on me, fall on me, and just not worth the trouble. This is pretty easy, and it's using a tool I already have, my bead breaker. Just flipped it over. Like what you're seeing. If it helped you out, great. Like, subscribe, share. There's more of this to come. Thanks for watching.